This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for December 22nd, 2022. It's currently November 6th, 2022, 7:55 p.m. Eastern Time. So the overall behavior and theme for the day, guys, we have a move higher through a resistance level that'll stand out on more than a one-day chart, on a multi-day chart, I should say. We stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through the same price level. It's going to be around the high. The high is really where we have that move higher through resistance. Stay above it briefly, break back down. And there's sort of like an sideways S formation. So we come out of a decline, move higher, and then back down, sort of like in a channel. So from resistance to support, support to resistance, resistance back to support, making kind of like a sideways S. Behavior around the low, we have sideways fluidity along a key support level. However, it's nullified, making it so that the low does not, it's irrelevant in some regard. All right, so another thing to point out here is that the last card of the last hour's card for the 21st was the Aeon card. We have the Aeon card here in the pre-market. So there's a couple things that could indicate. Either the rally continued and we open up much higher, which my sense is we probably open up much higher, or we open up at the same price level and continue in the pre-market to rally into the open. Around the open, there's a trade opportunity in the completion of a rally, and then we have bearish price swings in the first half hour or so with a sharp drop that'll stand out. Out of that sharp drop, there's a notable move higher standing out on a one-day chart to reach for significant resistance level on a one-day chart. Brief peak there, and then we fall pretty hard through multiple support levels from that peak that's easily missed. Okay, so my sense is that we have bearish price swings and a sharp drop early in the day, notably, and then from there there's a notable move higher into roughly 12 o'clock where we have this critical resistance level on a one-day chart. We make a brief peak, break through resistance briefly, and then we break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter. Around noontime, maybe a little bit before noontime, and then there's pretty much a full retracement with a notable decline to reach for a significant support level on a one-day chart. May possibly even be slightly lower level than the low earlier in the day, but we rotate sideways along that support level, roughly between like 2 and 3 o'clock, and then there's a little bit of a move higher in the last hour or towards the close, where we move higher to meet a resistance level. It'll stand out on a one-day chart. Right around the close, we decline pretty hard overnight, or in the post-market, it looks like. Yeah, there's a notable decline overnight. We may actually have a lower low. It's hard to say. There's a lowest low on the 21st, but there is possibly a lower one. Possibly a lower one on the 27th. It's possible. That's what I'm starting to pick up on anyways. So we open with a lower low and a trade opportunity tomorrow somewhere in the following day. A lot of price movement, a lot of price change is covered to the upside at some point today. And that's December 22nd, 2022 for the S&P 500. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends. If you don't know the rule of karma for this channel, it's critical that you learn about this rule of karma. Check out the video explaining the rule of karma on our channel. If you plan to profit from this information or trade with it, you must be following the rule of karma, guys. It's built into the whole system. And with that said, guys, pay a little bit forward, a little bit backwards. Make sure whatever you spend that money out of, you spend it out of love. And the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.